So we are going to create a weather app um, using Cursor and Python. So we are going to use SOAP and weather map API keys to display the data. And so yeah, let's kick in. So you're going to create our project, open project, create a new one, new folder. Let's say it weather app. So let's say the folder, and so I'm gonna do everything entirely in Cursor. So I'm going to ask it I I want to create a weather app using Python and an API key from open weather. Here is the API key. So I'm going to copy this API key and paste it in the chatbot, and I want you to create a modern uh, weather app that is well designed. I'm using this well designed, the dashboard and weather display cards should be beautiful, and both desktop and mobile friendly. Include a search box, a search bar where users can search for um, weather updates from anywhere in the world. We will not be using any backend. We only need a dashboard to display and the app, the web app. Okay, so let's see what's gonna generate. We're having trouble connecting to Tropic, so let's try again and see. So I've been using the thinking mode, so let's try and use the 3.7. Uh, what? So let's try using 3.5 on it. Okay, so looks like 3.5, 3.7 so let's experience an outage, or yeah, maybe a lot of us are using it at the moment. So anyway, so we have a clean workspace. I create a modern web app with the following structure: Flask for the backend server, HTML5 and CSS3 for the layout, JavaScript for the dynamic updates, Bootstrap and custom CSS for responsive design, font awesome for weather icons. Rest of the creating the certified structure. So number one, it's gonna create the requirement to text file. I think it's already created. So we have Flask 2.0.1. Okay, this is the version. Then let's create the main Flask application. So I think the file is already created. Okay, so we can see the base URI, okay, and API key. Next, let's create the HD templates directory and the our HTML file. So this, so in the templates, okay, here we'll find our HTML file. Um, okay, so we have the app name with the herb. Okay, the title in H1 tag with the with the herb. So there's some styling here. Feels like humidity, wind speed, and some JavaScript. Okay, so next let's create this CSS for styling. Just gonna be static. Finally, let's create the JavaScript file for handling weather data. So currently it's generating the JavaScript files, and I think we can go through it and see what it has generated. So okay, so it's gonna fetch data from city. We're gonna have visit button, wait record, message, okay. So the application will be now that we have created all the necessary files, you can run the application by following these steps. First, install the required dependencies. So we are going to run these in our terminal, and okay, so I'm gonna paste this and run it. Let's see what response I'm going to get. And then I'm gonna run python app.py. So there's an error saying so I'm gonna add this to cursor context window and tell it I tried running python app.py in my PowerShell terminal, but I received the attached errors. Can you please fix them and ensure the app runs well? So the error is occurring because there's a version mismatch between Flask and So we should update this. I think we should have updated this one. Now let's create the following. Let's follow these steps to fix the environment and run the application. First, let's create a fresh virtual environment and install the updated dependencies. I'll help you run these commands. Okay, that's great. So you know you can be viewing what it is creating or the dependencies that have been installed. So what I like about cursor running its the terminal commands which is that at some point it realizes that there are some linter errors and it fixes them automatically um, without us having to do that manually. So this I think this is a great achievement and yeah I mean for test now tools this this awesome. So now let's run the first application. So let's see what's gonna run and come up with. Okay, I think it's running on our local host. Yeah, so let's see if it can run. Okay, so we have our interface. So uh, I'm not sure. Let's see. Let's try. City. Let's say New York. Click on search. So I think we're getting New York. So I'm gonna test this out. Uh, to verify if it's accurate. So I'm gonna paste in weather in New York. So to verify the facts and see if so it's 12 degrees Celsius and yeah. think- So it's 11 degrees Celsius in terms of temperature and it's confirm. Yeah, so it's Wednesday, 11 degrees Celsius, but precipitation 0%, humidity 69%, wind strength, that, no, wind direction at 19 kilometers per hour. So wind speed at 7 kilometers per hour, humidity at 74%. There's not part of one shot prompt. So let's see if it's mobile friendly. So yeah, I think it is great. So let's see in London, 9 degrees Celsius. I noticed that the app is so fast. Okay, so let's see London, 9 degrees Celsius. So that's it, guys. So to implement this, go to Open Weather Map and yeah, create an account. It's free to create an account. After creating an account and logging in, go to your account settings here. You'll find my API keys. So click on it, create a new one, test it for free. And yeah, I mean, it's free to test this up. And although it has some limits on the number of calls you can make per day, I think per day, but this is a great testing API keys at the moment from Open Weather Map. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video and subscribe to my channel if you like what I'm doing.